everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a simple eye look. I'm going to try to use 2 eye pencils. I usually use 1. Let's see how that works. If you're new here, I post videos about beauty and stuff like that, and lifestyle and planners and blah 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 blah. I'm in my 40s and I cannot see well, so I post makeup videos that have to do with my how to apply makeup when your eyesight sucks. So anyway, let's begin with I've already with the makeup look. Get ready with me, not a tutorial because it's not going to be an amazing look, and I'm really selling it at the moment. Don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss out. So anyway, I have put some cream on my face. It's the Super Facialist by Brenan. I really like this because it smells like rose. It's also got an SPF. It's a day cream. It's very hydrating, and it's also supposed to make your skin radiant. And who doesn't want radiant skin? The other thing I've already used, and I'm not going to be showing you, is the Autograph Hydrating Confidence Boost Primer, which is this. This is a hydrating primer. I like it. I'm not going to repurchase it though. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing. So if you want to have something that's watery on your skin, use it. I don't know how long lasting it is though. So let's move on to my foundation. Foundation I'm going to use is this thing, which looks very, very dirty. Look, it looked cute. So it is the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. I have the number 1. Now, the thing about this foundation is, sorry if I'm leaning over, but there's a table next to me and I'm trying to get things over there. So I like this foundation. It's very lightweight. I think it's better for the summer when you don't want to have a lot of foundation on your face. So this is a first coat, and I would say it's more medium coverage than full coverage. But the thing is, it's very buildable. So I'm going to build it up and I will be back. Okay, so I just blended my foundation. I think it runs out very easily, the foundation, but yeah, it's all right. It's not amazing. Yeah, and I'm also more of a full coverage kind of girl, so I always forget to put foundation and makeup in the inner corner of my eye. I forgot to tell you what I'm using. My concealer is Double Wear. I don't know what number it is because it's faded and I have no idea. So I'm gonna just blend this in. I really like Estee Lauder Double Wear, the foundation as well. It's a bit dear, but it's nice. And it's long lasting. So if you're looking for a full coverage foundation that doesn't budge, that's there all day long, you should check that out. Moving on to my powder, which is the Dior, what's it called? Dior Forever and Ever, Dior Skin Forever and Ever Control. Just gonna pat the powder in. It's a nice translucent powder, and I like it because it doesn't look cakey, and it dries your foundation, like it doesn't feel runny. The foundation doesn't feel runny. And I was asked what powder I'm wearing because it looked nice, so yeah. Okay, so now we're going to bronze up the face with the Laura Mercier O2 bronze, and I'm just going to like contour and bronze a bit. So the brush I use, I really like for this one. It's the Echo Tools. I don't know what it's called, but it looks like this. It grips onto the bronzer, so I like that. A little bit on top here, just a bit more. I'll blend it out later more. So just a bit bronzy. Okay. My blush is Clinique. It's 120 Bashful Blush. Don't know why it's called Bashful, but anyway, just put a bit. You can see that. Okay, and And I'm going to take a Echo Tools powder brush, sorry, just to blend that a bit. Going to move on to my Okay, my highlighter is from the Sophie X palette. I'm going to use this shade here, which is kind of a purpley pinky. I'm just going to apply here, tap, 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 here, tap, 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 and on the side. I used to have the Becca Opal, but it fell and it broke, and I'm not, oh, you can see this. I can't see well, and I can see it, so I imagine how shiny I must be. Okay, I'll just put a little of that down now. Oh, the brush I'm using is the Real Techniques, I don't know what it's called, Real Techniques. Anyway, it's this Real Techniques brush. I like it because it's just great for highlighter. Okay, so I've used the Kiko eyeshadow stick in this color. It's a purpley grey silvery color. Oh no, actually it's the number 7, Stay Perfect. So it's a purpley grey kind of color, silver. So I just went along the crease and on the side. I'll just show you what I did. I don't go too much in the inner corner. Draw a bit, and then I'm going to take my brush, move it up a bit and smudge it, and I think I'm going to check. So I've just spreaded that a bit, and I'm going to use finally my chubby stick in Pearly Pink, which is this, and I'm just gonna do the inner eye, and then I'm gonna blend it a bit, just give a little shine all over the lid, all over the lid. Okay, so I just blended it a little bit more. And finally, I'm going to use again my highlighting palette and go to the white, which is up here. And I'm just going to put it in my inner eye, in the inner corner of my eye, just to brighten it up a bit. So, sorry I'm in your face, but yeah, I'll check that. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, I'll check that in a bit, and I'm going to put some mascara on. Now I bought this mascara, which is the Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara by whatchamacallit, Essence. I don't like it. It doesn't really lengthen my eyelashes. I'm just going to apply a little bit. I've got a mirror under you, so the camera is on a mirror. That's why you see me like leaning down a bit more. Okay, and see, it doesn't do that much. Hang on, I'll apply a few more coats and then I'll come back. Yeah. Okay, so I put just mascara on the top of my eyelashes. This is very, like, it makes your eyelashes feathery, kind of. Not very long, not very voluminous, but they separate. So yeah, it dries up very quickly, so I would not recommend this, but I bought it. I'm going to use it. Okay, so I'm wearing my lipstick. Unfortunately, I can't tell you what it is because I'm colorblind and I can't read this, but I don't know if you can see what that is. I'll try to turn it around a bit. It is a reddy brown. This is what the color looks like, and this is what it looks like on my lips. Now, that's my eye look. I might have a few mistakes. I'll probably blend a bit more if I see, or if anyone tells me you've got lines, but when you're visually impaired like me, it's difficult to apply makeup. Anyway, thanks for watching. do subscribe. If you have tips for me, if you have vision problems, or if you have tips, you saw me doing something wrong, maybe make a suggestion. And yeah, do subscribe, click the notifications button, give this video a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. See you in my next video.